Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. Let all the students join the class. I'll be starting it. Okay, Ali Ahmed, kindly do recitation, bete. Ali Ahmed, please do recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim, Subhanallah, bete. Sana, bete, you should cover the hat na during the recitation timing. Okay. I hope you all have started the activity of comic strip. Started it? Okay, very nice. So tomorrow is the last date to submit. In tomorrow class, you all have to submit that activity. After that, I'll be doing the minus marking, minus 5. Is this clear to everyone? Okay. I'm sharing a MS Word file. I want all the students go through it and take out your language copy and do in the same manner as I am doing it. Take out your language copy and do as I am doing. We will be writing forms of verb today. So I'll be giving first form to you and you all have to make the other forms and you will write other forms by yourself. Am I clear to everyone? Did you understand? What are we doing? Forms of verb. Okay, listen it carefully. You know, as form we use with third person singular he, she, it. Present form is the base form, the dictionary form. Then past form is the second form. Present participle is the ing form. And past participle is the third form. So I'm writing the addings again over here. Present form is first form. Past form is second form. Present form is ing form. And past participle is third form. I hope it is clear to everyone. More students are joining the class. So keep the second name in your mind. Okay, present form is first form. You should memorize it. Past form is second form. And present participle is ing form. And past participle is third form. VPP. We also call it VPP. So you should keep in mind how many forms of verb we are having? 5 forms. I am giving present form to all of you. You will be writing the other form by yourself. For example, watch. Now, look at that. The S form is watches. Then second form is watched. Then watching. And then you have to complete this in this manner. Now I'm giving the word to you. Look at that. The other form, you will be writing it. I'm giving only present first form to all of you. The whole list you will be completing by yourself. Come on, do it. Okay. Watch, through, take, grow, snatch, shut, listen, run, walk. Complete. Okay, it's a little bit. We can take some other one now. Okay. The short one now, which can come in the column. Okay. 5, 5, 10. Okay, I think these are enough. Kindly complete by yourself the whole. You can ask to me as well. If you are unable to write the second or third form, you can ask to me. Raise a hand and ask me. But do by yourself. Please do not take help of the sibling and complete the whole list by yourself. All are doing it. Kiran, are you writing bete? Huzaifa, are you writing the classwork? Farwa, Ariba, open the camera, Aman, and show me your copy. I want all the students show me copy. Farwa, Aman, show me copy. Beta, I really request all the students to open the camera. Kiran, are you doing the work? Ahmed Afzal, Aurelia, please show me your copy. Farwa, Ariba, show me the copy. What are you doing right now? Are you completing the list? Very good, Ammad. Yes, bete Kirat.
टीचर आप दोबारा से वो स्क्रीन शेयर कर दें.
Definitely, I'll be doing it. Show me your copy first. Good job. Mohtashim, show me copy. Farwa, Uzaifa, show me copy. Aurelia, Ali Ahmed, show me copy. Very good, Ali Ahmed. Aurelia, Huzaifa, Farwa. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Yes, Mohtashim, bete.
Miss, I have not my black pen.
You can use bete the blue pen or pencil. You can complete the list with the help of pencil. Don't worry about it. All the students, if you did not message me the attendance, kindly message the attendance. Aurelia, Farwa, Ahmed Afzal, I'm removing you. Now do out in this manner. Everyone take a picture of this screen.
Miss, मिल गया.
I'm writing in chat as well all the words which I have given. Okay, let me write in chat all the words. All the forms I have given in
Teacher, in which copy we have to do the work?
language copy. I have shared all the verb list in chat as well. Kindly go through from there. Shami, now you are joining the class. We are doing forms of verb. We are completing the list. In this manner, you all have to make a column and you have to complete the list by yourself. Then we'll be starting the practice of tenses, inshallah, in the next class. Tomorrow we'll be listening the presentation of yours. So tomorrow Shamir, Zainab and Aisha Ilyas will be giving the presentation and Ahmad as well of the comic strip. The other will be giving the next day. So Zainab, Aisha Ilyas, Shamir and Ahmad, get ready for tomorrow presentation of the comic. With video. Did you all send me message that you are present today? Kindly complete this list by yourself. Ji Kirat.
टीचर कुछ भी नहीं पूछना.
So why did you raise the hand, my dear?
टीचर कुछ भी नहीं पूछना.
Thank you. जी मोहतशिम बेटे.
मिस, अगर मुझे कुछ समझ ना आए तो मैं आपको पर्सनली मैसेज कर दूं क्या?
Yes, bete, you can ask right now in the class, bete. Don't worry about it. Why personally, bete? You can ask in the class. Don't worry. Don't be agitated and shy, my dear. You're most welcome. You are my little stars. You all can ask anytime, anything to me. Yes, Amma, dear.
Miss, please do screen share.
Okay, G. I had
Thank you, teacher.
pleasure, my dear. Take a picture or a screenshot because we have only 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Now the class will be ended. So quickly you can take picture to complete it. I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group as well. Okay, dear? To make you more convenient. Did you all understand how to complete this? Tomorrow we'll start the topic inshallah after presentation tenses. Ji Aisha bete. Aisha, do you wish to add something?
No, teacher.
Okay, you raised the hand, na? That's why I'm asking. Ji Sara, did you understand how to do? Okay. Farwa, did you understand? Kindly thumbs up all of you so that I can get it. You understood. Have you written all the words? Have you written all the words in the copy? The list you will be completing in homework. Okay, Ji. Thank you for thumbsing up. Thank you for thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, let me quickly give a short review of the whole all tenses as well. Now. Okay, listen it carefully. Throw. Throw, S form will be throws. When you will be writing S form, you will add S. But when will you write past form, you will write threw. T-H-R-E-W. Now T-H-R-O-W-I-N-G. Present participle ing form. Past participle T-H-R-O-W-N. Thrown. Now takes, took, taken, and taking. Am I clear? Look at that. Few I am giving you. The other you can complete. Took, taking, and taken in this manner. I hope you got it. Few I'm giving you. In this manner, you will be completing it. I'm not writing all because you will be completing by yourself. This is your homework to complete the whole list. Now 6, you will be 6, 7 are left. I think only 6 are left. You will be completing by yourself. Okay, student, take a picture. Quickly take a picture because the class time ended. You are having the second class. I'm also sharing a picture in the class or in group as well. Today's classwork. Did you understand, all of you? I have shared in WhatsApp group as well. You can leave the class right now. Allah Hafiz everyone. Take good care of yourself. I'm sharing in WhatsApp group.